Coming through right now. This is going to lift northeastward. We're going to get into a bit of a break, and then as we get into the overnight, I do expect some scattered rain, freezing rain, sleet and snow showers to blossom across the area, and then we'll get into more of the total snowfall once we get later on tomorrow and tomorrow night. More on that shortly, but we're fine Lafayette, Crawfordsville now, but this is sleet and a little snow and even a little rain mixing in here from Monticello down to Kokomo. It's snowing at Rensselaer and snowing up at Morocco. That lifts through, and then we watch this low. This is a clipper that's going to dip southward. Now, it's an Alberta clipper. You think, well, not a lot of snow. The key is right through here. This is an upper jet streak. It's really strong winds upstairs in the atmosphere, and as this pivots around, a new low will form in Kentucky, and that will really help to enhance the snow once we get into tomorrow night, and also help the wind to really crank up around here as well. So here's the deal. Tonight we've got the snow, sleet, freezing rain showers that'll blossom. There could be a little minor ice accumulation tonight and even into part of tomorrow. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, we'll go to all snow, and then the worst of the conditions will be tomorrow night. I think the absolute worst between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. with a wind-driven snow around here and pretty rapid accumulation. Tonight, though, we drop to right around freezing, so I wouldn't rule out a little bit of ice accumulating in places. But tomorrow, we may rise above freezing early in the day, and then we start to fall, and then as we get into the afternoon, it'll go over to all snow. Now, tomorrow with the wind, it's not going to be an overly windy day at first, kind of breezy in the morning, kind of breezy in the afternoon, but notice 6 p.m. a wind gust projected at 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow night when we get the heaviest snow, notice the winds going way up. We could get some gusts over 40 miles an hour in that 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. time frame. And even though the snow is going to be over at 6 a.m. in the morning Wednesday, it's still going to be windy around here. There's 1 a.m. There's the new precip blossoming in the area. Notice some snow, a little mix and some rain down to the south, and that's going to be with us tonight. Will be mixed precip tomorrow morning, but notice what happens to the day tomorrow. Once we get into the afternoon and evening, all the blue. We're going to transition to all snow. We're in all snow at 10 p.m., and then the winds really crank up. But notice once we get towards 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, everything's out of here, and Wednesday won't be bad. It'll be a windy day, but mostly cloudy, and temps warming up into the 30s. So tonight, tomorrow, wouldn't be a bit surprised if there's a 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation, mainly US 24 and northward, Lafayette, Kokomo, down towards Pine Village. There may be less than a 1/10 of an inch of ice from this mixed precip around. Then we'll transition to all snow with time tomorrow. 4 to 6 inches, Rochester down to Peru, Monticello, Logansport, and also Morocco. 2 to 4, Lafayette, Crawfordsville, down to Frankfort. And this is a more high-res look here. 6.2 Rochester, 5.3 Monticello, 3.2, 3.5 Lafayette, and more like 3 Romney, perhaps 6 inches at Morocco. We've got to keep an eye on this because any shift in that storm system could easily put the heavier totals a little farther south. We're in the cold pattern now, but boy, is it going to change. Much warmer as we get into mid-March. You're going to see that in the 7-day forecast. After 35 tomorrow, 33 Wednesday, 40 on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, and mostly sunny 50 Friday, and then we could be as high as 60.